Happy Easter, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you're fine. Today is on Easter Monday. I know I have lost from last week, but I was preparing for Easter, and I'm done. I think now I'm finishing with Easter holiday. Today is on Easter Monday. Today is on Monday, that is, and we are here, all of us, with the family. Yesterday we celebrated Easter Sunday, and we thank God for the fact He is risen, and He is risen in our hearts. Okay, I hope you are doing well wherever you are, and I hope you have celebrated your Easter holiday very well, and you are still doing that. So welcome to another vlog. My name is Lucia. If you're just new here, please make sure you like, and also you can subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share to your friends. And then at the end of it, please comment, just say hi, or you can wish me luck during this holiday when we are still finishing with it. When we are still finishing with the holiday. Okay, so I welcome you all again back. Right now it's 12:30, and I want to prepare food for my family. Lunchtime, it's almost lunchtime. So welcome, and see what we are going to have today. Yesterday we cooked a lot of food. Imagine I could vlog and show you what we prepared yesterday, and also I packed in these beautiful dishes of mine. We had maybe stew. It's finished. We had stew, we had cabbage, steamed cabbage, we also had chapati, we also had rice, we also had so many things. We celebrated yesterday with my sisters, the three of them, my small sisters, the three of them, the twins and the last born. So they came yesterday. I hosted them, I cooked them their delicious meal, and they enjoyed, and around 8:30 p.m. they went to their places. I'm remaining with one sister, but she's leaving today in the evening. All right, so she has gone to the salon. She wants my other sister to do her hair and come back by maybe 2. She'll be here, and then she is going to prepare herself and go back. All right, so that's what the plan yesterday. I didn't vlog it because I was a little bit busy, and today I decided to give you a video so that you can enjoy. All right, so let's begin cooking. I'm going to mix beef and veggies with ugali. All right, so let's begin. This is strawberry yogurt. It's very, very sweet. I was having that before I take my lunch. Okay, so this is my sufuria for ugali. I'm going to boil water first, and then I have sent Olivia to go and I've sent her to go and bring for me the meat and the vegetables. So I'm very sure she's coming. She has gone with the bike, so I'm very sure she is on her way. Where did you celebrate your holiday, Easter holiday from? Are you in the village? As for us, we haven't gone to the village, but this week on Friday I'll be going to the village. We have a function there at our place where I was born. We have a function there, and I'll be going on Friday. So on Friday I'll shoot a video for you when I'm going there, and then I'll shoot some few videos. Last time I didn't shoot a lot of them, but I will try my best to give you videos. Okay, so Friday, Saturday, next weekend I will be here. I'll not be here. I'll travel from here to our place. It's not far. It's like 1 hour and 20 minutes. We are still in Machakos, so Machakos County, so it's not far. It's like 1 hour and 20 minutes. I'll be home. So the function that we have there, it's a surprise. I'll show you, and then you'll know that day, because I'll do a video for you to watch and see what we'll be having there. And then we finish the Easter holiday during that weekend, because the schools are opening on Monday or Tuesday. I think on 28th of April or 29th of April, I don't know, but yeah, hapo ndio shule zitafunguliwa. So we'll finish the Easter holiday on Monday, and then we are going to come back here, and then on Tuesday they will be opening the schools. All right, so that's the plan. This week I'll give you videos from here, maybe 2 to 3 videos, and then Friday you're gonna see new videos from the other side. All right, today is very hot and so bright. I've put the water to boil, so let me just relax here, listening to rumba music. Yeah, you listen to rumba music. I love it. So guys, now we have the meat. It's here. This is the meat. I want to boil it kidogo. I'm going to mix with the vegetables, spinach and kales. So I'm planning to do that. I'm done preparing ugali, so I'm going to add garlic and ginger so that when it boils it will be so tasty. This is the meat, 300 shillings meat. So we have ginger. We have ginger here. I'm going to add a little bit like this way, and then garlic. Not this is the garlic, this is the ginger. It's 1 p.m. right now, but I'm done with the garlic. Yeah. So that's it. Let me just cover it so that it can boil so fast. Here are the vegetables. These ones. There are so many because we are many here. We are like 10. And onion. We are like 10 people here in this house today. So I think that will be enough. Yeah. So let me wait for the meat to boil, and then I'm going to finish up. Yes.
Maybe
Coffee. It's good to have tea or coffee when it's raining. It keeps you warm and
updated. Wana nyumba.
Yeah, so I hope it's raining at your place. It has been raining here since Friday, guys.
Ile kitu nashuku nikaa inamwaga maji nyuma. Ile maji inatoa. Inatoa mingi hata kuliko ile, na ile ndio iko na surface kubwa. Mbona vile inaenda haraka? Ile chupa yake ya mdomo nilikatanga. Mkubwa.
Okay.
Unaishi, lakini tutajua na wenye itakuwa ime collect.
We shall see. Take a look at our dog, guys. At our dog. They feel like mvua imeisha and it's still raining. They have come out of their houses. Huh? Bella.
Come.
Bella, go to.
Bella. Come. Kuja. Bella, kuja.
The brown one is called King. It's a king of the jungle.
He rules these streets.
Yeah.
He rules the streets of this area.
Yes.
He's the king.
He's the king of the...
He has fathered all female dogs here. Yeah.
And he's just a teenager.
And he's just a teenager. I think like 9 months old or 8 months old.
Yeah.
Is it 8? Yeah, something like 8.
I think it's 8
months old.
Yeah.
Bella is like 1 year, 3 months old.
Bella is old, Mama. Yeah.
Bella is like 2 years. He's older than Alvin.
Yeah?
Mm.
What?